Hi and welcome back to winemastery.co.uk. My name is John Lightfoot. This is
John Murphy.
And we're here to tell you all about wine. Hopefully help you find the wine, if not the wines that you will absolutely love, adore, be at one with, be at peace with, and really wish you could spend the rest of your life with.
Really? Okay, John. Okay, we'll live with that one.
Which is a shame because they change year on year. So
what can you do?
What can you do? So this is an extended version. Well, not extended, but we're extending our Argentine Malbec episodes because we were a little bit disappointed with them, weren't we?
They were good,
but we were expecting them to be exceptional, I think.
Yes.
And they really weren't pressing our buttons like we hoped they would.
No.
Story of my life. So what we've done is we've purchased a really expensive, well, for me, really expensive, 27 quid this bowl cost.
Honestly, I almost cried when he told me the price of this. I'm not even lying. It was, I had to take a deep breath and it had to take a couple of minutes before he told me how much he paid for it. And so I truly believe everything.
Well, then I found out, which cost even more, that when I went to the doctor, that counselling regarding this can't be got on the NHS, so I've now had to pay for extra counselling.
All for that one bottle of wine.
One bottle of wine.
Very upset. But, fingers crossed, we're going to see if the bottle is going to be worth that extra money.
Hope so.
Should we have a little try, John?
Yeah,
As you clutch your chest.
Yes, let's stop the agony. I'm really worried about this. So, colour-wise, it's got one of those clear rings again on it.
Yeah, but the colour is quite purple.
Not rings, sorry, I mean rim.
Rim, yeah.
Sort of
Stop.
I'm stopping. Sorry about that, folks. So, it's very sparkly, isn't it? Are you enjoying it?
I'm trying to look and I can't. Anyway.
Oh, sorry.
I was trying to. No, it wasn't like. It was you. So, yeah. From what I made of that, sorry, I've dribbled a little. My apologies, and I'm sorry about John. He's quite a purple colour.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Looks nice.
It looks nice. The sort of colour you would expect from Malbec.
Yes. Yeah. So let's get it on the nose.
Okay. That reminds me of Rioja.
Yeah, it's that is the oak, because this has been in French oak and American oak.
Okay.
And when I smell that, I often interpret that as the leather.
Right.
That would be my that would be my leathery smell. But it's quite. There's the plum in there, which you want from a Malbec, but it's quite spicy and peppery as well in there. It smells. What?
Wait.
What?
Lovely.
Yeah, leave it. Right, I'm going to have a taste of it.
Okay. Well,
I'm going to go for a second sip before I judge.
Okay. When you first take the mouthful, it's very, very soft. It's very rounded. It's quite a nice balance. But then it just seems to die.
I find like the first. I think there's nothing much. It's a soft balance. Then a little something comes back, and then you're thinking, oh, this is where it starts, and then it doesn't.
Yeah.
It just kind of
peters off.
Yeah. I mean, the smell on that.
Yeah, there's got more going on in the smell.
Yeah,
it smells like it's going to be quite a complex, sophisticated wine, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then.
No, it's not unpleasant. It's very nice, but For the price?
I'm going to say, yeah, it's okay, but
Yeah.
I'm glad you paid it.
I'm not.
No, that's, you know, as you know, we don't want to like put wines down in any way, shape or form.
No.
Because all wines are good, just some better than others. And this one just doesn't hit it for me at all. That Malbecs have been not very good, have they?
From Argentina, the ones we tried, we were expecting them to be really good, and they've not really hit the mark. Maybe our expectations too high. I mean,
perhaps, but even that, you know, an Argentine Malbec, like £26, should be giving something.
oh yeah.
Slight stroke or whatever it might be. But no, I'd spent more time smelling that than.
Yeah, exactly. I think if you said you paid £7 to £10 for that, then okay. But I mean, I guess it's expensive because they have put it in the special oak and they have kept it, you know, matured it, and therefore that costs.
Well, yeah, it is. You know,
But
that will come to.
you pay for results, don't you?
Well, it's yeah. You do have to pay for such thing. If it's labour intensive, obviously. Then, and I do think I remember reading as well. It's all hand picked, which, you know, it's.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's a bad thing for 1 minute, but it's making your wine expensive. And again, if I were blind tasting that, I mean, I'm not very good at the blind tasting anyway. I'll put that out there. But if I was blind tasting that, there's no way I would be saying that was that money.
No.
No way.
No. There wouldn't be any if I would be not saying that either. I mean, it's a really nice wine. I just think, personally, there are other wines that we've tasted at far cheaper prices, which were as nice, if not better, for my personal palate.
Well, it's quite, you know, just tasting that last bit there. It's very soft. It's very soft.
Yeah. There's nothing disagreeable about it.
No.
Absolutely nothing disagreeable. It's just one expects more for that sort of money.
And yeah, and it almost came across as if it was going to give you more, and then just.
It's on the nose, and and then, as you say, the first.
Yeah, because it's slightly exciting, you know, the £26 bottle of Malbec. I thought I would smell. Ooh, there's lots in there, and then That sounds awful, doesn't it? You'll be all right, John. You'll be all right. No, not a good score for me.
Well, okay. Well, perhaps we still have to search for another one. So maybe we're.
I think we should make that a running thing to find a good Malbec.
Good Malbec.
Yeah.
Good Argentina Malbec.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Because the Chile ones we were quite pleased with.
Yeah. Chile in general, though.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Must be the cold reception they give you. So.
I'm not even going to humour that one.
No. It was even for me that was weak. So anyway, for the next one, we'll see you there. Chin chin.
Chin chin.